Now to Hamburg, where David Haye called Wladimir Klitschko a fraud ahead of their world heavyweight title showdown in July. And as you might expect, he's predicting he'll knock him out.
Haymaking in a foreign field, David Haye had his first look at Hamburg's Imtech Arena and seemed to like it. His first stadium fight is against a veteran of 5. For Wladimir Klitschko, this is home turf. He's based in the city, and 25,000 of his fans reserved tickets for this before they went on sale. These two have never seen eye to eye. There's a mutual lack of respect.
I know what Wladimir is about. I know what he's always been about, and that's why I've aimed for him since before I had my first heavyweight contest, even while I was a cruiserweight. I've seen his style, I've seen what he does in the ring, I've seen how he comes to the ring, and I believe he's a fraud.
David, I'm very happy to see you here with Adam Booth. Adam Booth, hello. Good to see you. David Haye, hello. Whatsoever, no respect.
Then came the traditional face-off. Almost farcically, it lasted well over 3 minutes. But at the end of it, who had won round 1 of the verbal sparring?
I will show him that he gonna be just another one. There were 49 before. And he gonna be my 50th knockout on the list. Number 50 on July 2nd.
Would you put yourself under the pressure of saying, if I were to lose this, I would quit straight away?
I wouldn't, losing's not an option. I wouldn't consider losing at all. That question bounced off my head.
Other Brits have had success here. Kevin Keegan once wowed the Bundesliga. The Beatles famously rocked the Reeperbahn. This UK import comes with rather meaner intentions. Although like Keegan, he's goal-driven, and that goal is to become the world's best heavyweight. To achieve that, you'll have to emulate the Fab Four and come up with some big hits. Craig Slater, Sky Sports, Hamburg.
After the news conference, Wladimir Klitschko landed the first blow on the PR man. Wladimir was showing off his ball skills, then this. Wrong man, Wladimir.
First knockout.
You don't want to do that, do you, to the PR man?
No. I like the way David Haye just ignored it.
Yeah, and the others are laughing.
Yeah.
And you can see if Haye can beat Klitschko. The big fight's live from Hamburg on Sky Box Office HD on July the 2nd.